Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you. We copped this at the Adidas store in Santa Monica. It's inside Westfield Mall. So we were just walking around there, and then went to the Adidas store, and then they say their store just got opened about a month ago. So we were just walking around, and then we saw these shoes. Actually, I didn't really see the shoes until I overheard somebody talking about Pharrell Williams. This is the Human Race NMD by Pharrell, and this is the Holi festival. This is the pink glow, 100% authentic. It was dropped in March 16, 2018, and it was retail for $250. The style number is AC7362. Colorway is pink glow flash green. So let's go ahead and get it started. So I'm not sure how come they still have this in stock. So I asked the staff, and then she told me that somebody returned it, but it got dropped on March 16, 2018. So how did they, if it's 1 month ago, I mean August, how they still have the shoes back in August? So I don't get it. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this box. Come with this nice Adidas shopping bag. By the way, we will try to check out the resale value for these shoes when we were at the store. And unfortunately, the internet was so laggy or so slow, so we didn't check it. And then even the sales rep told me if you buy it, you always have 30 days to return. So I'm going to do some research again, and then I'll see if I want to keep this or not. So they give me this creators club. How do members earn points, the membership level, all this stuff. Anyway, let's get into the shoes. Let me give you guys the 360 view of the box real quick. This is the original one. It says 3 and then HU 2018. The box is kind of damaged. I'm not sure it's due to the shipping or the person who got it didn't handle or care for it. As you can see, it is kind of ripped right here in the corner and scuffed. So on the bottom, it looks plain. Let's go check out the size label. So you got a hole right here. Got the Pharrell Williams with the colorful Adidas logo and then the brand. And then that is the style number AC7362. This is only size that they have, size 13. Unfortunately, they didn't have our size. So, and UK size is 12 and a half. And this is men's size, and made in Vietnam. And this is the barcode. So let's get inside the shoes. I'm not sure some of you, if you guys saw my video on the previous ones. I guess one guy comment on or one of the viewer comment is that a Pharrell Williams. So guess that guy watched my video. So let's go and then check these shoes out. This is a nice pink color. And as you can see the rubberized cage. And then on the back, you got the pink near the pull tab with the white Adidas logo and brand. And then that is the size label right there, made in Vietnam. I know some of your haters out there probably is gonna comment this is a fake, but it is not fake or replica. So you got this trail rubber outsole. Got the boost on the midsole right here. Let's go check out the other shoes. And they come with this extra white lace. Here is the label. Pharrell Williams, Hugh, Holi, NMD, MC. And you got the 2 bar right here. It says Pharrell Williams. And here's the size label again. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the flash. Right here is supposed to be reflective around the lace. So let's see. And then you got the Adidas logo with their brand on the tissue paper. Check it out with the flash on. So let me turn on the flash right now. So as you can see, it is 3M reflective around the lace within those dot that goes around the whole lace. So only the laser glow or reflect, even on the white one, as you can see. Let me see if I can take it out. I don't want to ruin it. But anyway, you can see it is reflecting right now. So what do you think, guys? Do you think I should hold this up until it has a better value later on? Because I know we are having a problem with China right now due to the tariff. So everything is supposed to be increased, but this is made in Vietnam, so I'm not sure if the price is going to go up or not. Unfortunately, right now, the size 13, it is selling for $275 on StockX plus $14 shipping. So if I sell it right now, I'm probably going to lose money because they charge 10% either on the eBay or the StockX. The eBay somehow, most of the sellers are selling higher, $350 to $400 or even $450. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.